welcome to John's Bomber Making. Today I've got the Lancaster Bomber, the diecast version. There we go, I've got issues 8 and 9. I've also got issues 10 and 11, but I think I'll do that on a separate video. I'm also going to be using issues 10 and 11 for my wooden version over here, which is nearly completed, but nowhere near really. Quite a bit to do on this. We have got, there we go, the cockpit floor is not glued in. There we go, that's the pilot seat. I'm not sure if we're using that today, but we have got the frame here and here, and I'm not sure if we're using either of them. But we have got issues 8 and 9, so let's have a quick look at issue 8. Okay, here we have issue 8. Details for the cockpit. Further details are added to the starboard side of the cockpit, and 2 windows are fitted. Oh, there we go. 08B electrical service panel. Starboard window, larger and smaller. A starboard fuselage panel, nearly forgot that. Drift sight mount, instrument panel, interior detail, drift sight and oxygen economizer. Excellent. As long as there's plenty of detail on these, it'll look absolutely superb. And there we go. So we do need this piece. There we go. That's handheld down to the bomb aimer. Pop all them onto place, or into place. There we go. There's that control panel and the little windows, and that is what we're left with. Excellent. And that brilliant read afterwards, and Johnny Johnson. And your next set of parts: framework for the Navigator's G set, G display, parachute holder, parachute, the G display support, fire extinguisher, G receiver, and bubble sextant. Excellent stuff. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here we have the parts. There we go. There is that panel. 2 windows going here and here. That looks like it's for the wing. Yeah, that looks in really good condition. Excellent. Put that to one side and we get these other parts out. There we go. Those are all the parts. There is that control panel. Got some nice detail on it, but I think we could highlight some more on here. It is all grey. We don't need the 2 windows for now. What we do need, let's frame, and the first piece we need is 08F. Oops. Again, plenty of detail there, but it's not coloured. But anyway, this piece goes in here. We'll dry fit these first, and it will go just there like that. Looking excellent. Now we need this piece, 08I. Again, it's got a little bit of detail on it, and let's see, it goes that way around, and that goes into that little hole there. If I can get my fingers in there. Nope. Maybe it would have been better putting this one in first. Let's see, that position there. Oh, there we go. That's pressed into place. No problem. Yeah, might be able to get some glue on the back there and there. But that looks absolutely excellent up to now. Right, put that to one side. We need this little piece, 08H and 08E. Now, let's see, we got that way with that large peg there. You can see the hole just there, the smaller peg there, and this fits, let's see, that way around and pops in there. Just like that. Excellent. That's got some lovely detail on it as well. Looking brilliant. And that goes here in them 2 holes. Yeah. Yeah, so it does go that way because we've got a big peg and a little peg. Again, that's a tight fit. Doesn't really need any glue, that. Brilliant. And now we've got this little piece, 08G, goes in there. It is a D-shaped connection, so it will only go in one way. Again, I'll need me tweezers for this to position that. Oh, that's come off. Let's put that into place as well. And there we go. Excellent. That's better. Cracking detail all around that, is it not? And lastly, we have the control panel. 2 pegs, one big one, one small one, and it goes here into the them 2 holes. Let's see. Yeah, it should square up there. Yep, press that into place. Brilliant. Lots of colouring, lots of detail. That is looking absolutely fantastic. Love it. Now we have the windows. The large one goes here, like so. Make sure you get the window the right way around. And the small one goes on here. Hopefully. That might be a very tight bit, that one. Might not need any glue. But that's how that goes. Looking brilliant. Excellent. Might take them off actually and use some PVA glue to keep them into place. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, it's not dead straight this either. There you can see. Excellent. I don't think that's a problem at all. Yeah, this window does need just a touch of glue. Pop it on there. This is canopy glue. There we go. That should hold that one. That one doesn't need any glue whatsoever. That is not coming off because it was a very tight fit. You can see I've only put a smidgen of glue there. Excellent. So there we go. That is issue 8 of our Lancaster build complete. Looking fantastic, brilliant. Let's have a look at issue 9. Okie doke. Stage 9. Navigator's accessories. There we go. Framework for the G-set. G-display for Navigator. Parachute holder. G-display support. Fire extinguisher. Parachute. G-receiver. Bubble sextant Mark 9. There we go. Excellent. Technique tip. The parts in this issue fit tightly and are designed as push-fit connections. However, due to manufacturing and paint finish, you may find that you need to file away some of the paint on the pegs or the sockets. If you file too much material away, you will need to use a little super glue to hold the pegs in place. Excellent. I think they put that in every magazine. There we go. So we put these together onto here. Oh, that is brilliant. Love the parachute. There we go. Fire extinguisher. Lovely detail again. And that is what we're left with. Completed work. Brilliant stuff. And then we have number 617 Squadron. That'll be another excellent read. The bombing of Guernica. And coming in the next issue, wireless operators, navigators table, wireless accumulators, air position indicator, tubeless air, power units and fish pond indicator type 182A, which they didn't always use in the Lancaster, the fish pond. But anyway, let's get on with the build. Okay, doke, we have the parts. Let's get them out. All in plastic bags. Okay, doke, there are the parts. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Right, first off, we need the Navigator G-set, which is this piece. That goes. Let's see, that one's got quite a bit of detail on it as well. There you go. That could be highlighted because it always looks a bit blank. There's some green here, but anyway, we need that there, and we need this piece, and this goes into there to make this G setup. Again, it's going to be a tight fit. Yeah, that might need opening up a little bit, that, because it is a very, very tight fit. Move these out of the way. Pop that down again and give it a bit more oomph. Well, I'll give it a bit more oomph. There we go. Got that pressed into place. Excellent stuff. Now we need this piece, and that goes in here. Yeah, it's a D shape, so that goes in there like that. Looking excellent. Yeah, I think that'll hold itself as well. That looks brilliant, that up to now. Fantastic. Then we need 09A. Them two pegs there, they will go into here, and you can see the cutout there as well on that side. So that will go into there. Will it? Is it a very tight fit again? Yeah, I think I'm going to have to file a little bit off that. There's a little bit of flash on there. Okay, let's just file this a little bit. You don't need to take much off, just enough for it to get into position. You can usually see it around the edges of the connections. There we go, try that now. And put that into place. Will it go? Will it not? There we go, I think we've got it. Excellent stuff. I think that can come round. Does it come round and meet up with that one? Looks like it should do. Yep. Very, very tight fit. But I think that's got it now. That looks impressive there. See, it meets up here. Yep. Excellent. Lovely bit of detail on that. Okay, next we want the parachute. Now this is 089F, 09F and 09C, and it's D-shaped, and it should just sit in there. The last one went in last night, no problem last time. Oh, that one's gone in as well. There we go, another tight fit, excellent. And that fits onto the back of here. We have, yeah, 4 pegs, 2 here are smaller. You can see the holes there and there and there and there. And again, I bet this is a really tight fit. Yeah, I think we're going to have to shave a little bit off here. No, it's not going. Right, let's shave a little bit off. Okay, let's see if we can. Oh, there we go. Pressed into place. Brilliant. Didn't need to take much off it. That looks upside down to me, that parachute. Yeah, it is. That's a bit weird. Right. Yep. According to the picture, that is upside down, but that's the way it goes on. And you can't put the parachute holder on any different. So the only thing you can do if you want to turn that around is to take the peg off and glue it into place. But there you go. There we go. You can see, according to the picture, that's upside down. Never mind. Okay, that only leaves 2 items. The fire extinguisher, which is looking brilliant. One peg is bigger than the other, and that fits at the side of the parachute. So I'll get the tweezers for this. Hopefully that will go in with my tweezers. 1 peg's going in, and position that around there. There we go. Excellent. That leaves 09H, which is the electrical unit. Yeah, again, 2 pegs. Get that the right way around. That goes into the last 2 holes. Is the other one lined up? Is the other one too big again? Yeah, that one needs filing. Yeah. It's only this big peg that was the issue. Right, that's at the bottom here. Right, let's line that up again. There we go. Excellent. That looks brilliant. This shows the framework all I need with the G equipment, parachute, fire extinguisher and electrical unit in place. And that parachute needs to be reversed, does it not? There's nothing wrong with the parachute order, except the fact that they put the D-shape the wrong way around. Well, that is the rest of that unit. Excellent. There we go. There's the parachute. The right way up. Excellent. Just use my scalpel. There we go. It's file at the connection, and it's good. That's not going to fall off at all. There we go. Still in place. Brilliant stuff. There we go. So that is issues 8 and 9 complete. Not forgetting the panel, of course. So there we go. There is issue 8. There's the Navigator G sets. And that panel with the 2 little windows. Brilliant stuff. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, I love the detail. And again, like I said, the parachute's the right way up this time. Excellent. Right, I'll get 10 and 11 on as soon as possible. I have got them. I picked up 11 for my wooden version because I'm putting parts from 10 and 11 into my wooden Lancaster Bomber as well, because it's the same scale. But in the wooden version, they have nothing for the wireless or radio operator at all. But obviously in this kit, we get everything, which is fantastic. All we need is the crew members as well, so I'm hoping we get them. We more likely will get the pilot. I'd be shocked if we didn't. Whereas for the wooden one, I have got the pilot, but I've not got anything else. So I am looking out for the figures for the crew for both of these. You never know, Powerwork upgrades might do something for us. Brilliant. Anyway, there we go. That's 8 and 9 completed. I'll do 10 and 11 as soon as possible, and I'll get that up on my channel. But anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thank you for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. See you again. Bye.